Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to create a wave motion with shape layers and the basics of using shape layers. Let's get started right away. First, I'll create a new shape layer by selecting Layer New Shape Layer. Then I'll draw a line with the pen tool. Now I'll draw another one. As you can see, these lines stay within the shape layer. Now I'll draw another line, but this time without clicking on the shape layer. As you can see, this line is outside of the shape layer. This is a very important feature that prevents confusion as your animations become longer and more complex. By keeping each shape within a shape layer, you create a cleaner, more organized workspace. Now that we understand the purpose of using shape layers, I'm going to create a new shape layer and draw a line. I adjust its color. Then I click on the shape layer, go to the Add section and select Zigzag. I adjust the motion as I want. I click Add again and choose Trim Path. I make my adjustments. To smooth the motion, I select all of them and apply Easy Ease. This is the result we get. In our next lesson, I will show you how to create a wave animation using the wave warp effect. Good work! Take care!